At 11, one woman's morning commute turns into a terrifying road rage incident.
In a story you'll only see on 8, she tells us how frustration turned into fear for her life. 8 News Now reporter Madison Kimbrough live near Horizon Ridge in the 95 where it happened. Madison?
Yeah, Denise and Brian, we know how dangerous these valley roadways can be. And as you're about to hear, in one woman's attempt to merge into a lane, a gun was pulled and then pointed directly at her.
It's dangerous out there, and I didn't think that would ever happen to me.
Loanne describes the scary encounter during her commute early Tuesday morning while merging onto the 95 from the 215. Ann says she was merging lanes when this car sped up and forced her out of the way. Then as she approached the same intersection, this happened.
As I went by him, I went beep, beep, and as I'm going beep, beep, I'm passing him, and he's holding the gun like that. And I see the silver pistol and everything.
In disbelief, her instincts kicked in, and instead of driving the other way, Ann knew she needed to report him.
I got way behind him, and I took a picture of his license plate, and he ended up turning on Horizon into that chevron right there. I could see him pumping gas and also putting something in the toolbox in the back of his truck, which I assumed to be the gun.
Loanne called 911, and within minutes, she says Henderson police showed up.
They pulled him over. There was like 5 cops that came. The gun did end up being in the toolbox, and they got him.
Loanne plans to press charges. And while she's still shaken up, she's proud that she stood up for herself.
I just feel grateful that I'm okay. And I feel grateful that they got his gun and that he wasn't able to do that to anyone else. He was driving like a psycho.
And 8 News Now learning the name of that driver from Henderson Police, 51-year-old Alvaro Madrid. Now, he was booked into the Henderson Detention Center. He's facing 1 count of assault of a deadly weapon and 1 count of possession of a firearm of a prohibited person. Reporting live in Henderson, Madison Kimbrough, 8 News Now.